बॉलीवुड में है, हम उससे बोलते हैं बेटा कोई अपनी पसंद की लड़की कर लो, हमको ना ढूंढना पड़े। तो कहता मम्मी एक भी नहीं है कि जो शादी घर के उनको घर ले आओ।
अच्छा।
एक भी लड़की नहीं है कि जिनको हम कह दें कि शादी करके हम उनको घर ले आए। प्रेम की तो बातें दूर है, यारी है, दोस्ती है, सब है, लेकिन वो घर की बहू बनाने लायक नहीं है। आज की नई जनरेशन की बात कर रहे हैं, हमारा बेटा बोला है बात।
अच्छा।
अब कहा आप अपने हिसाब से अच्छे घर की लड़की, संस्कारी लड़की ढूंढिए जो घर की बहू बनने लायक हो। एक कंडीशन हो गई आज के जो नए बच्चे यहाँ खड़े हो।
Let's not even start with what the auntie said. Let's first look at the headline. Mother criticizes the new generation as son fails to find a perfect bride. The headline is wrong. I'll tell you what's right by the end of the video. Let's just focus on the last part. Son fails to find a perfect bride. That's it. A man not being able to find a partner, and what does he do? He calls his mom and says, एक भी लड़की नहीं है जिनको शादी करके घर ले आए. According to his son, every woman he meet is characterless. Think about it. If he's in Bollywood and saying यारी दोस्ती सब है लेकिन घर की बहू बनाने लायक नहीं है, आज की नई जनरेशन की बात कर रहे हैं. So basically he is shaming his own female friends, telling his mother that none of them are worthy of marriage. Can you see the double standards here? On one side, he is friends with these women. On the other side, he tells his mom that same women are characterless. And notice the mom responds, हमारा बेटा बोला है. She trusts her son so blindly that she thinks हमारा बेटा बोला है तो सच ही होगा. What's really happening here is the son is provoking his mother against other women and making her the spokesperson of his misogyny. Then comes the classic line, अपने हिसाब से अच्छे घर की संस्कारी लड़की ढूंढ लो. But what does this man mean by sanskari? He means a girl who is easy to control, who stays quiet, who doesn't question, who lives according to him. That's his definition of अच्छे घर की संस्कारी लड़की. And here's patriarchy's favorite trick. औरत ही औरत की दुश्मन है, बट औरत को औरत की दुश्मन बनाया किसने? आदमी ने. A man planted the poison and a woman is manipulated to carry it forward as sanskar. So let's reframe the heading. A son shamed his own female friends and manipulated his mother to shame an entire generation of women. This would have been a perfect headline. And if you are here to call out such nonsense on internet, follow along because trust me, there's lot more to call out.